so that I know that I need to wait for you? If you don't say anything, that means that everyone is ready, right? All right, let's play. So for this one, you don't have to be the winner, but if you participate in the game, then you will get credit for participating, okay? Even if you lose, just want to say it again. All right, let's start again. It does not say who is the winner, but it just says that 15 got it right and 7 got it wrong. I think I should be able to find the names somewhere. Usually it shows the name of the people. All right, let's see the next one. Oh, here's the score. I see. I have to click next in order for it to show. Angela is leading. It's okay, you guys still have more chances. Let's move on to the next one. All right, so it looks like a tie, huh? Let's see, so the answer should be qualitative, right? So let's see the scores. All right, so those are the top scores. Luis. $14 got it right. Okay, we'll see who is the winner this time. Luis still leading. All right, and then what is that? Next time, can you guys enter your real name for me so I know your names, okay? Because I need to take attendance also. And then Angela, Jennifer, Kiara. The question is up here just in case you guys did not see it. All right, we'll find out who's still the winner. All right. Luis is still the winner. You guys still have more chances, so work harder. All right, so the answer is true, right? It should be true. Okay, continuous variables include interval and ratio data. Good. All right. I still have the same set of winners. Let's move on to the next one. All right, so the answer in this case is the bar chart, right, or the bar graph, okay, would be the best graph for the categorical data, okay, good. And remember that for a bar graph, the bars don't touch each other, okay. Oh no, who is that? Who is the winner right now? See, so you guys have to enter your real name, otherwise I wouldn't know. And I also have to take attendance from this game. Okay, oh, that is Uriel. Oh, I see. But next time write it separately, okay? So that I would know that who is who. Yeah, make sure that you know that I take attendance from the game here too, okay? For participation. So make sure that you participate. Even if you're not the winner, you still get credit for it, okay? All right, so the answer is the frequency polygon would be the best for continuous data. Okay. Does anyone know what a Pareto chart is? Have you heard of it? All right, so you will have seen it. Yeah, the Pareto chart, it's just similar to the bar chart, okay, but the bars are in order from tallest to lowest, okay, or shortest, or you can say that from shortest to tallest. They put the bars in order, so that is called the Pareto chart. A Pareto chart, it's just a bar chart, okay. All right, let's move on to the next one. Still the same leading one. All right. All right, so which scale of measurement does gender or religion belong to? So it should be nominal, right? Those are just the names, right? The names, and they are not in order, okay? So let's see the scores. All right, so Kayla and Gabby were switched, okay, and Uriel is still leading, good. All right, so which scale of measurement does military ranking belong to? So it should be ordinal. So the ranking in military is just the names, right? The rankings are just the names and they are in order. So it should be ordinal. So does it belong to categorical or continuous? Everyone type in the chat for me. This example belongs to categorical or continuous. Right, yeah, good. It belongs to categorical, okay, good. And those are just the names, right? The rankings are just the names and they are in order, okay, good. All right. So the scores was just changed from Jennifer and Gabi, right? Or Gabi. Right, let's move on to the next one. All right, so Celsius and Fahrenheit temperatures belong to interval, right? Good. Let's see the scores. Does it belong to categorical or continuous, everyone? Can you type in the chat for me? All right, good, everyone. It should belong to continuous, right? Or you can say that quantitative, okay, good. All right, good job, everyone. Let's move on to the next one. Is this the last one? All right, Uriel is still the top. This is the last one. This is the last one, yeah. All right, so the answer is ratio, right? And does it have an absolute zero, everyone? Say yes or no for me. Right, it has an absolute zero, right? Because when we say that the height of something is 0 inches, that means that it has no height at all, okay? Or you can say that the weight is 0 pounds, that means that there's no weight at all. Good job, everyone. All right, let's see who is the winner here. Oh, Kayla is the winner, yay. And then number 2, Gabby. Number 3, Uriel, congratulations. But you guys are all the winners here, okay? Because you all got credit for this game if your names is on this game, if you participate